About 10 months ago, I posted a simple tutorial on how to create animated videos, and I was one of the first YouTubers to explain it. Now, I've got a fresh strategy for creating viral animated content using AI tools. From generating images and videos, to writing scripts, doing voiceovers, and even editing, I'm covering it all in this new video. But let's be real for a second. Most of these videos look the same, right? Same robotic voices, same generic animations. It feels like everyone's copying each other, hoping something will stick. Here's the truth though. If you really want to stand out, you need more than just the basics. You've got to bring your own unique spin and style to the table to make it feel fresh. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create animated short videos that actually go viral. We're talking about content that grabs attention, feels original, and keeps viewers hooked, whether you're just starting out or already creating content. I'll break down how you can use these tools in a way that works for you, all without losing that creative touch that makes your videos stand out. And by the way, animated shorts are taking over right now. The strategy I'll share with you can be used for both shorts and longer videos. It's the same process. You just adjust the screen's aspect ratio, so let's get started. First, we will need to write an engaging script. I will choose video topics that contain informative content, paired with funny animated videos. So, first, we go to ChatGPT, copy the first prompt, and send it to ChatGPT to suggest ideas we need. After reviewing all the ideas, we select one of them, copy it, and then go to the second prompt. We paste the chosen idea and ask ChatGPT to write a short script about it. After ChatGPT writes the script for us, I ask it to rewrite it into one paragraph like you see to simplify the copy-paste process when converting it into audio. Before this step, we copy the script, like you see, and go to the third prompt, where we paste it to ChatGPT. We ask it to analyze the script and generate prompts for creating images and videos using AI tools. Now, we copy the script and head to ElevenLabs AI, the best tool to create voiceovers from text. First, I will choose the voice I want. This AI provides multiple voice options, and I can go to the voice library and select the one that suits me. I'll choose the Brian voice, then paste the script, which I copied earlier. Afterward, I click the Generate button to create the voiceover and download the audio file. Now for the second step, we will go to Create Images. And for this step, we will use Pixelmator AI. After you sign up, you will find this interface. First, you will click on Create. Then we go here to change the model to Flux A, like you see. Then, we go to the aspect ratio and change it to 9:16 because we are creating a shorts video. But if you want to create a long-form video, you can go with 16:9. After that, we go to change the number of images to 2 to get 2 images from one prompt. Now, let's return to ChatGPT, copy every prompt, and paste it here. We click Generate and wait for the images to appear. To save time, we repeat the same process with the other prompts simultaneously to generate multiple images at once. Now, after generating all the images, we download them all and go directly to Runway ML. We sign up and choose this tool here. Now we name our project, then we upload our first image. After that, we copy the prompts from ChatGPT and paste them here. But before clicking Generate, make sure to change the aspect ratio and set the generator to number 3, like you see. Then, you can click Generate to get the best result. With the same process, you will do the same for the other images. After all the videos are ready, we download them and go to Pixabay to search for the best background music. You just search for the music you see suitable for your niche. For example, you can simply write funniest song and choose the one you need, but don't forget to read the copyright information before using it. Now guys, we go to CapCut and open it. We add all the supplies we generated before. For the first step, we add the voiceover of the text, then we add videos one by one according to the script. Add 2 videos for every scene like I do. After all the videos are placed, it's time to go to the aspect ratio and choose 9:16. Then, we return to every image and zoom in a little to hide the watermark like you see. If you need to add animation, you can apply the combo animation to all the videos like you see. Now we go to the effects, add a vignette, and adjust the opacity to 30%. For the last step, we go to the text option and choose auto caption to generate subtitles like you see. Check if the language is set to English, then click create and wait until it appears. The first step here, we will try to delete the space between the captions, so we will extension it like you see. After that, we make some changes to the animations. We select all the captions like you see, then add this exact animation. Next, we change the font, apply this style, adjust its placement, and add a simple black glow to make the subtitles appear well. For the last step, you can add the background music as you want. Just import the music, cut the clips you need, and lower the volume slightly so it doesn't overpower the narrator's voice. Then, trim it as needed and add a fade in and fade out effect for a smooth transition. Now it's time to say the video is finally ready. We export it, and that's it. Guys, we'll meet in a new video. Bye bye. Love you all. Before we watch the result, if you don't understand any step, send me a message via Telegram. We have a free community. We help each other by being success in content creation. The link in the description. It's time to join us.
Life as a human is a wild ride. First, you're born, no memory of it, just like being thrown into a party and missing the snacks. Then you grow up, learning to walk, talk, and master the art of not spilling food on yourself, because those first steps are basically toddler Olympics. Fast forward, and you're an adult with a job, bills, and a pet that thinks it runs the show. Adulting means saying things like, I need coffee, or I'll do that tomorrow. As you get older, you wonder what your legacy will be, solving world peace or just bringing the best snacks to the office. In the end, it's a circle of growth, struggle, snacks, and probably a few embarrassing wedding dance moves. But hey, that's what makes the journey as weird as you are.